honestly thought that the trailer was gonna be small, but dang, look at that. You still got plenty of room. Hey guys, this is John with Reverse Engineered. So we just picked up our trailer and then we're on our way to pick up our Ford F-150 from the auction. Right now I'm just trying to hook up the wiring, make sure everything works for the trailer, make it safe there and back. Fuel up now. First remove the poppers and nuts. I have to stick here and keep my hand here all the time.
How much is the diesel? Diesel is $3.15. Here's John.
You gotta do your best, you know. When you're on a mission, you got a mission. You gotta do your best.
He's enjoying his Subway.
This is lovely. F-150 slash Raptor. Although we didn't mention this before in the video, we're gonna make it look like a Raptor. That's the surprise. It's gonna be a little bit of work, but I think it's worth it. Shut this thing down. We're good to go. Got a little bit dirty. Gotta go in there, wash ourselves, and then head out.
All right, what do you think now?
That looks good.
Yeah. Is
I
it
know about everything.
is it flex fuel?
Yeah, you can boost.
All right, sounds awesome.
This is it.
All right.
Let's get it going. Let's take it on. Alright guys, I came here without some shades. At least I got free shades with the truck. Yes! We just made a quick stop. We had a little bit of this came loose. And it was kind of flimsy on the highway. I was moving around on the highway. Plus it's cracked here, broken. And I don't want to have any problems. And on the other hand, you know, stop to get some food. But yeah, the main thing was this. I'll fix it up and we'll get going. Hey guys, so we finally got home safe. There were no problems on the road. The trailer performed excellent. The car was pretty tight over there. I mean, by that I mean it was pretty much secured on the trailer. We had no problems with that, with it rolling back and forth or doing weird stuff like that. We borrowed the trailer from a friend. We actually forgot to film whenever we got home. We forgot to film how we took it off and just drove it. The car was running drive. We started it, no problem, drove it off, and then we just drove it back here on the driveway. There was one thing that we forgot to mention to you. Whenever you buy a car, make sure you secure the hood with a wire or a line. Make sure it's pretty tight over there. Otherwise, you know, you might need to buy yourself a new windshield, even create damage to the roof.
What do you think of the damages?
We secured it with this.
What do you think of the damages?
Oh, the damages? Honestly, initially I didn't think it was this much. We have some, don't go too much. We have some frame damage up here, down here. You can see this big one. It's pushed that way. You can actually see the frame rail. This is called the frame rail. We'll have to pull it and replace that. There's no way you can fix that. I mean, the actual thing. Everything's cracked. You can see the brackets. You can see a lot of plastics broken off. And this is the weirdest part. I have no clue how they got this bent down like that. You know, I've gave it some thought, but I have no clue.
Looks like, let's look at the shroud. Cooling fan shroud is like broken right here.
Shroud, radiator.
Parts are cheap. That.
Shroud, radiator, intercooler. This might be salvageable or savable. The AC condenser, not sure. I can see some damage on this side here. You can see it been a little bump like that. It's kind of weird, but you can see the damage happened because of this. That guy got pushed up against the condenser. Look at the bumper though, like an accordion pretty much. Let's move around, and here you can see
Airbags are popped, or?
Yeah, the airbags are popped. You can see like the fenders all the way pushed into the door.
Both fenders are like that pretty much.
Even this door here. The damage might be, you can see the door being too close here. There's no gap. It's kind of weird. I think it happened because of this. The fender pushed it that way so much that it actually broke off. this little plastic here. And there's some damage here on this side. Door is a little bit bent.
What is it? Aluminum?
Oh, yeah,
metal?
what surprises me the most, it's the entire vehicle. It's aluminum. I thought it was some type of steel, but no, it's aluminum. When you work with that, it's a little more tricky because it's not easy to like pull it back or maneuver it.
Weld it.
But the way, if this was a regular steel car vehicle, you would just pull it out with a stud, pull the damage out, apply Bundo, and then repaint. For air conditioning, we actually have some cool projects for this car. Stay tuned, you're gonna see that happening. Let's move on with the damages. Here you have it's pretty much what you see. Quarter panel, or the back panel, whatever you call it. It was hit so much that it even affected this, like that little door. Affected this. And when you close it on this side, it does not close. It sticks out a little bit. That's because this guy, it put a lot of tension on that too. It's kind of weird, but it's fixable. Yeah, it's fixable. It's not hard. You all you have to do is try it, put your mind into it, and take your time.
There's some leftover parts over here. The grill seems pretty much like it's not broken, but it has scratches, so
It's all scratched up.
you're not gonna use it.
I was not gonna use it anyway. Honestly, I wanted to buy one of those DOD or DOD, one of those Raptor style grills, which I'm gonna install. I don't wanna. This is if I was gonna get one of these, it'd be a little more expensive. That one should be somewhere in the hundreds. But anyway, this thing is all scratched up here, there. The emblem is pretty much bad. You could see, look at this. You can see like the damage the tire has. And I just took a look at the sensor inside the wheel. It's messed up. I have to get a new one.
What's going on with this tail light over here?
That thing is dead too.
Oh, it has some cracks. The bumper.
That has to go. I have to replace that as well. There's no way I can save it.
This side of the truck looks pretty good. It's just the tail light needs to be replaced, and like the top right here, it's a bit scratched or like shaved off or whatever.
Shaved off, but not just that, it's cracked here. There's a little bit of damage on this quarter panel as well. Scratches here, there.
Either way, you're gonna replace
here.
both of them.
Yeah. Come on inside. Careful with the door.
It's locked. Oh.
Yeah. So one of the main reasons I got an F150 is because look at this, man.
Look at that
So
space.
much room. So nice. So
I like a little
spacey.
sedan.
So roomy.
Here you see the curtain airbags, they're popped, as well as the steering wheel one. Then this side too, it can be easily replaced. This, we're just gonna reuse this headliner. It doesn't have any cracks, it just has these creases, but they can be easily, once you put it back the way it was, this should at least come out.
Wow.
And
And
also
the seat airbags are popped as well on both sides.
both sides, wow. I thought it was only the passenger
I
side.
thought it all, yeah, same here. But that's easy fixable, you know. It's an easy fix. You can take this and send it to somebody to resell it. And you should be fine. Okay, let's go back. Alright guys, so what I'm gonna do next, look at the damage, pretty much assess all the damages, buy the parts, and order them online, whatever, you know, try to find the best deals so I can fix this as cheap as possible and drive it. Alright, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for us next. Subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and why not, leave a comment.